Let's now move to promotion. Promotion in marketing is not a stand-alone activity. That is the reason why I call it a marketing mix, because you mix all of them with price, with product, with place, and with people. Because any promotion that you offer must have a purpose. How do you define a purpose of a promotion? Think about it. Last time when you announced a sales promotion, what was the main purpose that you put it in front of you before you designed the promotion? Many of us just do a promotion, do not even define a purpose clearly, let alone measuring it, but they don't even define the purpose. And because you don't define the purpose, you don't even know why you're doing it. I offer you a medicine to take because the medicine has a purpose of correction. You go and take a medicine because you want to get well. A medicine has a purpose. Promotion is a medicine. It's called medicine of marketing. It has a purpose. You are offering it into your marketing package because you're wanting to solve some problem. What is that problem? I always suggest whenever you're looking at the promotion, before you even design it, look at what are you planning to correct with this promotion. Are you trying to create more awareness? Are you looking at making people shift from just desiring your product to convincing them to buy your product? A very different promotion is required. Or you're looking at people to just act on it and quickly buy your product. Just last phase. Sometimes you look at solving a problem of retaining the customer. Sometimes you want to do a promotion for making customers get you more customers. So you're looking at trumpet phase. Look at which is the point where you're wanting to create a treatment called a marketing treatment that would help you to improve your business. So promotion has a purpose. Decide the purpose first. Once you decide the purpose, now it comes on what things you want to offer in a promotion. Promotion is not free. Promotion always has a cost. What cost are you incurring? Many of you may have a budget for promotion. I don't really worry so much about the budget. My major question to my team has always been, what is the cost of your promotion in comparison to the benefit of the promotion? Which means, what will promotion create? Show me the value in dollar terms. And what is the cost of the promotion? Show me the value in dollar terms. And then let me understand that if X dollar is the promotion, I'm going to get a benefit of Y dollar. This is vital. Without this clarity, no sales promotion should ever be decided. What kind of sales promotion you offer depends entirely upon your creativity. There are many things that are offered in the market. You can look at what competition offers. You can come out with absolutely creative, innovative sales promotion. Those are the ways you execute them. I'm not even talking about it. I'm wanting you to understand the purpose of promotion and exactly where you want that promotion to hit and solve your problem.
Ta không có những người như ba Alok đến Việt Nam ấy, mà chúng ta học ấy, chúng ta giống như kiểu chúng ta sống trong một cái ao làng. Ba Alok ấy là không những là bác ấy là phó chủ tịch phụ trách chiến lược của Canon tại 23 quốc gia châu Á, mà năm 2009 ấy, là bác ấy có được cái giải bác là giám đốc marketing giỏi nhất của toàn cầu, được Hiệp hội Hoa Kỳ ghi nhận. Và bác ấy là nguyên chủ tịch hiệp hội các giám đốc marketing ở châu Á. Các anh chị có thể search profile của bác. Thì với những kiến thức của bác ấy, thì mình nghĩ là các anh chị học xong các anh chị sẽ tiêu hóa được một phần luôn về ứng dụng. Nhưng đối với bản thân mình thì mình ứng dụng rất là nhiều. Và thực sự là gì ạ? Rất là may trước Covid là mình mở bác ở Việt Nam và 2 năm làm việc với bác, cái tư duy của mình nó thay đổi hoàn toàn.
So as I mentioned, the customer loyalty is getting lesser, options are becoming more, the customers are becoming more demanding. In other words, if companies slip up in their delivery on anything, the customers may not pardon, unlike previous generation where customers would tolerate more. And in that situation, therefore, we have to now build sales and marketing system in the company, keeping in mind that retaining a customer is going to become even increasingly difficult.